Morning everyone, it's your maths class for class 8 unit number 1 set question number 5 which is given in page number 12. In your book different questions are given, but we add 3 to 4 more question in this question, more part in this question. Okay, find the power set. Power set means all possible subset. In every set uh, itself and null set compulsory subset. Okay, or power set means all possible subset. So null set and itself compulsory in the power set. Now we will solve first part. First part, set A is equal to A. It means A is given as a element. Only one element is given. All possible subset. Possible subsets. Okay, all possible subset. Now set in the name of the set A, so we write A, use round bracket. Power set, use round bracket. Set name A is equal to the formula 2 power n. It's a formula of power set. P, round bracket open, write down the name of set A, P, Q, X, N is equal to 2 power n. Power n means total number of elements. Okay, in the next step 2 power n means in this question only one is given, one element is given, so power 1. Power means to write one time. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2. It means in this question we require two set, two possible subset. So P, round bracket open, A is equal to, okay, first itself A, second one null set, bracket close. Answer of first part. Now count the total number of set 1, 2. 2 power n, 2 ones are 2. 2 possible subset in this question, itself and null set. Now the second part, B is equal to 11, 12. It means two elements are given in this set. The set name B, all possible subset, copy formula power set P, write over here name of set B in the bracket, bracket close, is equal to 2 power n. 2 power n means total number of elements 1, 2. Total number of elements 2, 11, 12. So we write 2 power 2. 2 write 2 times. 2 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. It means all possible subset in this question, in this part we have 4. Okay. Now solve it. P, B, bracket close, is equal to curly bracket 11, 12, itself 11, 12. Then null set. Okay, bracket close. Count the total set 1, 2, 3, 4. All possible subset total 4. Itself and null set, it's compulsory in all possible subset. First we write single elements. Okay, if we have 2 elements in the question, so total 2 formula power n, 2 2s are 4, to all possible subset 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Don't repeat any set again and again. Only one time write one set. Next part 3. In part 3 we have 3 elements. 1 element, 2 element, 3 elements, all possible subset. Okay, now write down the formula. P, round bracket open, name of element set C, bracket close, is equal to 2 power n. Power n means write over here number of elements which is given in the question. P, round bracket open, C, bracket close, 2 power 1 2 3. Okay, power 3. 3 elements given, so we write over here power 3. It means 2 write 3 times. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Applying sign. Okay, it means in this part all possible subset 8. Okay, power 3 elements, 2 write 3 times, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So total we need 8 elements. Clear? Now we solve it. Set name C, bracket close, power set. For it's up to you. First write null set or in the and write null set. It's not necessary write in the and or write in the first. It's up to you. Suppose first I write null set, comma, first write single elements A, B, C. Okay, in the first step we write single elements, then we write pairwise AB, then BC, AC. Okay, then itself A, B, C, bracket close. Now count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of set 8, bracket close. Done. Part 3. If we have 3 elements in the question in the set, so we need total 8 all possible subset. Null set and itself, it's compulsory in the subset. In the first we write single digit, then we write pairwise. In the end we write itself, means which is given in the question. Now it's a complete. Done. Part 3. Total all possible subset 8. Part 4, Part 3, Part 4 both are same. The difference in the part C, Part 3, alphabets are given as an element. Part 4, digits are given as a element. But apply same method. All possible subset, apply formula, set name D. Okay, only replacement of name, change name of the set P, round bracket open D. Okay, the total number of elements 3, 2 power 3, 2 write 3 times, so total possible subset 8. Now we solve it. P, round bracket open, D, bracket close. First set null set, second one single set, 1, 2, 3. After single digit, write pairwise 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Okay, now the last one, last set itself 1, 2, 3, bracket close. Now count the total set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All possible subset 8. Correct? Part C, part D, it means part 3, part 4, both are same. Total 3 elements given in the question. So apply same method. Part 5, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elements are given. So all possible subset, apply formula. Okay, then write over here set name E. Okay, in this part set name E, power set, round bracket open, E, bracket close, 2 power n. Our power n means total number of elements 4. So we write 2 4 times. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. It means in this question total all possible subset 16. Okay, so now we solve it. P, E, bracket close is equal to, now we make 16 set. First null set, it's compulsory in subset. First we write single element 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we write pairwise 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Okay, now pairwise done. Write 3 elements in the set 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Okay. Now count the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now the last one is itself as it is. Copy down whole question as a set itself 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, bracket close. Okay, check one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total number of 16. Done this part. Fifth one and sixth one both are same. Just the difference is digit and alphabet. Apply same method. In last part, sixth one required all possible subsets 16. Now we solve last part F1, all possible subset, formula, total digit 4. Okay, 2 power 4, so we write 2 4 times, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. It means in this part total number of set 16, all possible subset 16. Now we start first null set. Second one, write single element E, F, G, H. Okay, first we write single elements, then we write pairwise E, F, E, G, E, H, E, H. Okay, now write 3 elements in the set E, F, G, F, G, H, E, G, H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, E, F, G, H, single, E, F, E, G, E, H, H, E. Now we check E, F, E, G, E, H, F, G. F, G is missing. F, G, write properly now. Don't repeat any set. Okay, only one time write it. E, F, E, G, E, H, then F, G, F, H, G, H, now we write three elements E, F, G, Order doesn't matter, but it's better, it's best. Write in order wise. E, F, G, F, G, H, F, G, H, E, G, H, E, G, H, E, F, H, E, F, H. Now check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The last one itself. Okay. E, F, G, H. Okay. Now you count it. Total number of sets 16. So it's your correct answer, correct solution. Total number of set 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Total number of set 16. All possible subset 16, because 4 elements are given in the set. So 2 power 4, 2 write 4 times, 16 all possible subset. Okay, done. All 6 part, 1 till 6, A till F. Copy as it is in your fair register. Thank you so much.